Right, so Street Boys parked up in, you say it's like a square?
It's like a square with quite big, like, you know them 3-storey houses?
Okay, so what we've got is the car with the roof off. Now, we've also got this, which is a helicopter noise. And we've also got, it's like 2 million candle power light.
Mate, this thing, they use this for hunting at night time.
It's a madness on the street.
Oh, you're kidding me.
What?
There's a car just pulled up, wants to go past me. Hang on. You have to go that way, mate.
I want to pass.
Yeah, you're going to have to spin round and go that way, love.
Because?
Because I'm doing something, all right?
No, this is a one-way... No,
Shh. This is undercover. Shh. All right? Go that way. Mate, we sorted it.
It's a madness on the street.
Like, you can just turn it up whenever you want, right?
Well, I'm turning it up now.
All right, mate, okay.
Come out with your hands up. Leave the building. Leave the building. Come out with your hands up. Everybody lie down on the floor and keep calm. Please leave the building.
There's people standing out on the street in their pyjamas.
No, there isn't.